Welcome to my channel. This check engine light that came out on the dashboard on the Nissan Almera. We found the symptoms such as blinking. There was a blinking on signal light when you press the brake pedal. On my previous video, the blinking light and the sound goes faster when you press the brake pedal, as well as the indicator, the parking, the P, the R, the D, the neutral, the shift gear 2, the shift gear 1, it all blinks fast when you change the gear and when you at the same time when you press the brake pedal. So this is the symptom of the problem. So it is shown in this previous video that I made. The right lights are dim while the left lights are okay. As you can see, it blinks very poorly. It's dim and it's erroneously blinks on the right side. There's something wrong with the right rear light assembly. On my previous video, I've shown it to you. That only means these symptoms only tells us no problem with the transmission range sensor. The real problem is the corrosion. Corroded lights. I switch the left and the right. There's nothing wrong with the bulb. So there's really something wrong with the assembly, the harness on the right side. I sprayed WD40 on the socket, also on harness. The WD40 not only cleans, but it protects. It's also an anti-rust. After spraying it, I leave it for about 8 to 10 hours to air dry. Do not use a blower or do not use heater blower. Just leave it, let the air. Do not also put it under the sun because it will damage the harness. I also sprayed on the bulbs. All the corrosion will be cleaned. After I put it together, the left as well as on the right came back to normal. It's not dim anymore. But as you can see, there's still a check engine light on the dashboard. I have to buy a scanner to remove this code. This parcel I bought from Lazada. It is an Obd scanner. So this is Ancel JP700, not only for Nissan Almera but for all Japanese cars. It is worth 2,000 pesos. It has a back. We have the scanner. So we have the user's manual. It also came with a mini USB. We have here the plug. Okay, we have some data we can plug here. Okay, so this is where we plug our mini USB. Okay, let's go to the car now. We will first start the engine. Okay, so as you can see, we will plug our key and switch the ignition on. We will now remove the cover so we can plug the scanner. Okay, so we'll just pull that one and boom, we will connect this wire here. Okay, so we will just connect that one and it immediately opens. As you can see, the scanner is now open. We need to choose this OBD2 system. Okay, and then enter. Let's see what happens. Okay, so the MIL status is on, which is correct because we have the engine light on the dashboard on. As you can see, it is on. Read codes. ECU1 FD00. First to the ECU1 FD00. The vehicle has no fault codes. Next. It says there are two. Let's go back. ECU2 FD20, enter. Transmission range sensor, A circuit range performance. Okay. Let's go to the number 2. Go to the number 4, go to the number 5, go to the number 6. Okay, so now let's try to erase the codes. Erase codes. Clear or reset emission related diagnostic information. Are you sure? Enter. Please turn ignition on with engine off. Press OK key to continue. So what it means is we will turn on the ignition with the engine off and then we will press OK to continue. Okay. Okay. Emission related to diagnostic information has been cleared. Okay. So we will now switch this engine off. Okay, but it should be in the on position. Okay, so it is now in the on position. As soon as I erase the codes, the check engine has immediately switched off. As you can see there, there's no more check engine light. So let's see if the check engine light will come back. After how many days? That was last May 31 that we cleaned with WD40, and on June 9, we deleted the code. So today is June 21, and the check engine light has not come back. So that only means that we have perfectly fixed the problem with just a WD40. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe. Click the notification bell icon. Bye.